Today, we compare two Zojirushi induction rice cookers professionals actually recommend globally. Same brand, different models, very different experiences once you start cooking daily. Which Zojirushi rice cooker truly delivers better value, performance, and usability overall? This is the Zojirushi NP-HCC10XH induction heating rice cooker designed for everyday precision cooking. Its advanced induction heating ensures precise temperature control throughout cooking cycles consistently, reliably. That precision produces evenly cooked rice with better texture and flavor retention daily. Watch it maintain stable heat during a full white rice cooking cycle. Stainless steel exterior feels premium, durable, and fits modern kitchens nicely visually well. Controls are intuitive, menu navigation is clear, and daily operation feels simple. Best for families wanting consistent rice quality with minimal learning curve required. Strong heating performance, excellent rice texture, reliable build quality reputation, long-term durability. Higher price point and larger footprint may limit smaller kitchen spaces, apartments, users. A premium performer delivering consistent results for serious home cooks. Now let's look at the Zojirushi NP-GBC05XT induction rice cooker designed for compact efficiency. It combines induction heating with microcomputer control for precise cooking results every time. This balance delivers dependable rice quality while using less space efficiently daily. Kitchens. During cooking, heat adjustments remain stable, preventing overcooking or scorching consistently throughout cycles. Compact, stainless design feels sturdy and suits smaller countertops well, neatly balanced, proportioned. Straightforward buttons and presets make this model very beginner-friendly, quickly accessible, intuitive. Ideal for singles or couples prioritizing quality without bulky appliances, clutter, concerns. Space, compact size, reliable performance, easier storage, and lower overall cost ownership long-term value. Smaller capacity limits batch cooking for larger households, regularly hosting guests, families, events. A smart, compact choice balancing performance, size, and price effectively for modern homes. Overall, NP-HCC10XH wins on performance, capacity, and premium cooking consistency, long-term reliability value. Choose HCC10XH for families, GBC05XT for small homes, both excellent Zojirushi options.